Weekly vlog begins now. What's going on here?
I'm packing.
Sort of.
Gotta get out of here. Oh shit, there's stuff in there.
What the fuck? Stop doing what you're doing. And here you'll see an influencer having a mental breakdown.
I'm not, you don't even have to go anywhere.
You're gonna show them your Sigma beauty products or just dismantle them aggressively? There's the Hollywood sign.
Look to my left and I see the Hollywood sign. Is it right? Look to my right or left? We gotta go.
Have any of you guys wondered what she's really like? Because this is it.
We gotta go.
What are those?
We gotta go.
Stop eating.
We gotta go. Where did I put my sunglasses? I don't know. Who cares?
Bye.
Look how much fucking that we have this much luggage. Well, I think we're gonna get rid of one, right?
We're getting rid of this one.
One to pack, but don't. Okay. Checking out our new room. I'm showering. I'm sweaty.
Hi.
Last day in LA. Woo! Oh my god. We're just packing up. I have 3 full bags. It's too much. We have meetings this morning and then our flight's at like 6. Bye room.
Oh.
Bye Hollywood sign. See you in Toronto. From LA. We got home last night at like 2:30 a.m. Like got home at 2:30. I have so many packages. It's insane. So, oh, these are the new Uncle trousers. The bloomers. Check them out. They're so amazing. They're my favorite right now, obviously. I feel like where my camera is sitting is kind of dangerous. Just give me a moment. Do some PR packages. I have so many packages. My concierge was like, where did you go? Why were you gone for so long? So first up, we have this pink box. Oh, this is from Sigma Beauty. Wow, it's like a brush set. I'm actually doing a little get ready with me with them, so that's probably why they sent me that. Oh gosh, what is this? It's a very large box. What It's like a bunch of dry shampoo from L'Oreal. Look at this packaging. It's nuts. What am I supposed to do with that? What is this? Oh my god, this is so heavy.
Right?
The 10 spot.
I totally thought it was a bottle of milk. It's really good. What's this?
They're launching a beauty line. Exfoliators. Bath salts. Alright, so that's from the 10 spot. Thank you guys. Let's try this out. Oh, I got some stuff from Dior. Dior Beauty. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this Joey.
What?
Guess what I got?
You got Joy?
Oh, it smells nice.
Like movie
Joey loves the movie Joy, and Jennifer Lawrence is the like spokesperson for this perfume, so he's very happy. Yeah, it's nice. It kind of smells like how like the Bay smells. Oh, Mary Young sent me something else. Aww. So Mary Young's like a Toronto lingerie designer. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Thank you. I love this. Mary Young's like a Toronto lingerie designer. If you watch my fall outfits video, I was wearing the broad underwear from her. And I commented on Instagram saying how much I like this set. And she sent it to me. So this will be the set I wear in my winter outfits probably. Wow, thank you. I'm in love. Okay, what else do we have here?
May I interrupt you?
Yeah.
Are we done with these samples?
Don't throw them out.
Can you take them to your office?
Yeah. Also, the inseam on these pants is only 30.5.
On which ones?
On all of the bloomers from every size.
The inseam is only 30.5?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Sure measured.
On each pant?
Yeah.
Like 30.5 is pretty normal. Like
30 inseam is normal, yeah. For short people. Yeah, I'm just gonna get them. I want them to be 32 so that people who are short can just get them hemmed. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
I can't show you all of this.
Who's this from?
Sigma.
Holy shit.
This is the most amount of makeup I've ever received. This is nuts.
Cassidy and Andy are gonna be pumped, eh?
Yeah. Like, their Sigma brushes are so good, and this, like, cleaning thing is really cool. But they sent me literally everything. Oh my god, they sent me everything they made, basically. I'm really pumped. Oh my god, they sent me all their brush cleaners.
Is there other 25 in it? Didn't even break.
They flipped upside down?
Yeah, perfectly.
Wow, thank you, Sigma. Cassidy and Andy, get excited because you're gonna have a lot of makeup. Because I don't think that all these colors are gonna suit me. Cassidy and Andy are Joey's family. 2 mascaras. Oh, it's like falsies, but in the colors. So in navy, oh, and in black. I'm like surrounded by boxes right now. Yeah, probably. Okay, this is from NYX. 24 Days of Beauty. Oh my god, all the holiday stuff is already coming out. This is crazy.
It's Christmas.
So this, I'm guessing, is an advent calendar. And then you're like sitting on 2 boxes, so I'm gonna have to move you. Alpine Beauty. I feel like I had gotten an email about this, but I just can't remember. So these are for like, it's just skincare. But it's for like harsh climate. It's like harsh climate skincare. And we definitely have I live in a very harsh climate, so that's for sure. Today, I feel like the day after you get back from traveling is always the day you just have to like get your life together. Most of you know we went to England with Dyson, which that vlog is coming soon, but we're gonna have to go back in time for that vlog, but it's a really cool vlog. Okay, so this is the Dyson Supersonic, the 23.75 karat gold hairdryer. And they launched it while we were at the farmhouse. You'll see that in the vlog that comes later. But, oh my god, I love this. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. It's actually beautiful. And this is a hand foiled, so really, really beautiful. I love the color of this case. And then you open it up. Every Dyson comes with this beautiful leather case. Thank you, Jessica. I actually love you. As you can see, I have my Dyson vacuum behind me as well. I'm low-key obsessed with Dyson, high-key obsessed with Dyson. And then it also comes with the accessories. The jet lag still has me. I'm going to meet Sharon for lunch, and we're gonna been away for a while, so we're just gonna do some business stuff. Just like go over some numbers and like what we're gonna do over the next couple months. Just kind of have a catch-up meeting. This is my outfit for today. Yeah, so these boots are from Free People. Jeans are Reformation. Belt is Princess Polly. This is a Hanes Redundee. And this blazer is from Lulu. So we got a good mix and match of things. Oh, and this bag is from Madewell. I actually called an Uber instead of driving because parking was gonna be more expensive than driving. So decided to Uber. That is Toronto summed up for you. I guess every big city, Ubering is cheaper than parking. Hi.
No, I'd like a kiss, no video or anything for a moment.
Hi. Okay, we're going to an event. I just had a dinner and we are apart for the whole day. Other than that lunch you saw. We're going to an Audi event and I look rough. I just completely blanked on vlogging in that event. I'm really sorry. It was really dark though, so I don't even actually think I could have showed you anything. But now I am going home and Joey is going to a dinner and a party or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna go home and put a hair mask in and a face mask on and do emails. My favorite activity. We're in the path right now.
We're lost.
Okay, have you ever been to the path and not been lost? Because I literally haven't. Every time I come here, I'm so lost.
Hold this door so I don't get lost.
I'm so lost in here that.
That's it.
Oh, you do want to get lost in this little thing?
I might get lost in that room.
Okay, so anyway, I will see you tomorrow. So my meeting sort of wet hair. We're on our way to a meeting, and then we are going to the Louis Vuitton time capsule. So that's what we're doing. Meetings with Louis Vuitton.
I genuinely forgot that we were going to the time capsule actually.
You can make your own speedy handle.
Yeah.
A little speedy handle.
We actually met one of your monogrammists in New York.
Oh wow, interesting.
So where you pretty much reinterpret it to a miniature.
Wow.
And there's a little
Try.
try.
Give it a go.
Okay.
No gesture.
I'm scared. Wow, actually harder than this.
It's actually very meditative.
Thank you.
You did a good job. So essentially what this room is taking online. They're actually still using leather. But over time, leather and water, they're not best friends. So they actually travel with sets of trunks. So when you're traveling with your family or friends, how do you know which one is yours? And you can actually put it into this trunk.
That's so cool.
So as you know, Louis Vuitton, is a traveler. He's not a traveler, but he is inspired by travel. He used to be followers. They wanted to use it. They wanted to, use Louis Vuitton.
You need the travel
I
bag.
need the travel
You
bag.
can have this, but you can have that. So this, there's difference between. So really, Louis Vuitton has really changed over time to really meet the demand of travel. Actually, so here you actually have a briefcase there. You have a chair that you can pull up and sit down. A chair.
So what people don't realize is that Louis Vuitton is incredibly practical.
Very practical.
Yeah. This particular one is priceless.
But I mean, if I was gonna
But
buy
if
it
you
like
were to
tomorrow.
make one, like I don't know the exact price, but like for instance, if you make like one that it's like something along the size of that, it's about like maybe 40,000. But with compartments, you're looking for more. Yeah,
Pocket change.
So we're talking like
100 grand.
like we're talking a car. This is a luxury car.
Getting a piece of luggage. That's what we're doing.
But if you already have a car, or how
Yeah.
many cars do you want?
Like we just need one big car.
This is actually the star of this room. This piece is actually a collaboration with Charles Star. There's only 3 of these made in the book. And it actually is gorgeous.
Yeah, this is the luckiest actually. That's crazy. That's it.
My friend.
It's okay.
That was really cool.
Are you serious? You can't help but buy something?
I bought a book, okay? I just got to the Uncle warehouse storage unit. Haven't been here in a long time. We just have some organizing to do because our wool trousers came in. I'll show you them. So this is them. They're brown. And we actually added a inside lining in this really soft, eco-friendly material, which makes the pants like a bit heavier. You know what I'm saying? And it also like makes them warmer and gives them like just some like, so your skin isn't like touching, just like softer, you know? Makes them feel really high quality. So I know some people were talking about the price, and like these are extremely high quality pants. They're handmade in Toronto by literally one person, did it, hand stitched well, like on a machine, but like one person did it. They're fully lined. It's nice when you get a product back and you really like it. Actually, came out with this, well, it hasn't been released yet, but this is a striped tee. So it's the same as our perfect crew neck, but it's striped tee and it has a nice stretch to it. Just because this material that we made it of, which is like a bamboo cotton, I think an organic bamboo cotton, yeah, it has some spandex in it, so it does have a nice stretch to it, and it kind of like just falls really nicely. Yeah, tunics are back in stock. We have them over there. All the joggers have been remade, which is great. So we have a lot of product to go through and to organize. Good morning, happy Friday. I'm off to an event this morning with Miranda Kerr. She actually DM'd me, but obviously I think it was like her PR team, not just me. Like, it wasn't just like me and her talking. It was crazy. It was in LA and she invited me to this event, or they invited me to this event, so that's where we're going this morning. I got my nails done yesterday, and like, what is going on? They all like broke off, and then, you know, I'm just not gonna complain.
This is my company. I started, initially the concept idea was like, started back in 2006. I was in Australia. I was currently working in New York, but I was in Australia visiting one of my good friends, and I said, you know, I'm looking for a certified organic skincare line, and I can't find one anywhere. There were a lot of other natural products out there in Australia, and they were, you know, you could just get them from like a health food store or something, but there was nothing that was certified organic, and nothing that I could find that actually gave me the results I needed, because, you know, being in the industry, now it's been like over 20 years that I've been in the industry. I had tried so many different products, and I was like, I wonder, like, learning about nutrition and whatnot, because I studied to be a health coach and I'm a certified health coach. So I was like, I wonder why people don't understand that, like, skin is the largest organ. What you put on it goes into your bloodstream. Why isn't there like a certified organic skincare line out there? We're all eating organic food and conscious of what we put in our bodies, but what about what we put on our bodies?
Okay, it's actually Monday now, and I'm started on my next week vlog. But I wanted to put this giveaway in last week's vlog, so I'm just gonna say the rules here and what you're gonna win. So for 700,000 subscribers, which I've already talked about this, but it's just like, it's hard for me to actually comprehend how many people 700,000 is. It's just like, I don't know, I'm very grateful, and I love you all, and I want to give back to you. So the giveaway for 700,000 is, I did a poll and asked for like what you guys would want to win, and the overall consensus was Uncle stuff. So you're gonna win 3 items of your choice, and then you're gonna win 2 pairs of sunglasses. So 5 items total from Uncle. All you have to do to enter is be obviously subscribed to me. You have to be following me on Instagram, and you have to be following the Uncle Instagram as well. There will be a picture posted on my Instagram, and then you will have to comment on that Instagram and tag 2 of your friends. So that is the giveaway. I will write all the rules down below because I think I said that properly, and I don't have the photo, so I can't like put it here, but the photo will also be linked down below. Love you all. Oh, and the photo is on my Instagram. But yeah, love you all. Bye. Whoa. Love you all. Peace and love. Bye.